baba solo ngiskime libhuku nephela ngibhala ingoma intwana baba noma ingekho beat rapper ngacethi bathi yashisa mfana leni hit bonge support le ngitfola estradini siyarapha umzukuzuku eskili setulu ngebhesi uNkulunkulu mangrapha kuleti phukuphuku susuchuku ngithela induku ayisuka bo excess shy carry manjalo ungangibheki kanjalo ngoba lana ngimi boss like Zorro angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe alozaro buya sidala imess sente mabomu vele kitsa ngebathuna next nginkalakatha labaningi basibafuna ngicetha phapha baboni ngifly basheshe bakhohle I'm hard not to crack ngiyabagcwalisa bagcwala mtatade ayisuka bo thala ngudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla ngibeleze thala ngudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla ngibeleze I'm the leader of the squad, Lala number 6. I'm the leader of the squad, Lala number 6. Devati, Lala number 6. Number 6, Lala number 6. Salangudla, solongpusha, Bele Manchang, Bele Zen. Salangudla, solongpusha, Bele Manchang, Bele Zen.
The kasi rap G.O.D. Zaro Lala number 6, my pen game yathokozis bayayivuma nangakini emayikhini nginemasimvelanga kwaba njalo nje ngako-ke ngiyenda imidlalo kumthwalo ngilomphako-ke we here for different reasons you'd bounce if you in a hard about 10 and salute bakhombe you much in the line makubeka 5 etafuleni bambelela keep on even if the pace is low bambelela keep going kulo mzabalazi fuel ngilomthandazo if you winning ingakudzakwa lemphakamo sala lapho kulama celebrity wanna be all I want is respect like pro and double HP indlondlo ye-rap mara ngikhothisonge ngicabule skip would have been kasibani bangamane bathule ship dlalwa ngimi number 6 bona bangale kwelibhali skill is tight lama script I'm the leader of the squad
Salangudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla ngibeleze Salangudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla ngibeleze I'm the leader of the squad, Lala number 6. I'm the leader of the squad, Lala number 6. Devati, Lala number 6. Number 6, Lala number 6. Salangudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla ngibeleze Salangudla solo ngibusha ngibele mandla